New. What a great word. It's not good or bad. Right now it's just potential. A new idea. A new theory. A new skill. New is the reason we laugh. New is both risky and safe. New has and always will change the world. New has brought everywhere and everyone closer. It's changed the way reporters report and made the most powerful person on the planet, you. New leaves with yesterday and comes with tomorrow. And the best bit is, no one knows what new tomorrow will bring. Exciting, isn't it? In with the new.